Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited because I am going to be creating a quick and easy makeup look for this upcoming busy season. I'm going to be using Hourglass products. Specifically, I'm going to show you how you can use this Hourglass. This is the Ambient Lighting Edit Unlocked palette in Elephant. Love this one so much. I wanted to show you how you can create a full look just using this palette and a few other Complexion products and one of my new favorite lip products. So if you're interested in seeing my quick and easy makeup look using Hourglass Cosmetics, then let's go ahead and get started. Good morning, everyone. I hope your day is off to a good start. I am going to do some quick and easy makeup today. I'm heading out to get my hair done, and I just wanted to show you during this busy season sort of my quick and easy everyday makeup look using this beautiful Hourglass palette. This is my go-to for easy makeup because I use it on my eyes, my cheeks. It has the finishing powders, bronzer. So we are going to do a quick, easy makeup look today using Hourglass products. And I'm going to start with an oldie but a goodie. So I absolutely love the new Hourglass Soft Ambient Lighting Foundation, but for the longest time I loved the Hourglass Vanish Foundation. This is going to be a bit more full coverage, but it is so easy to use. And when I was sort of playing around with my Hourglass stash, I was like, you know what, I want to pull this out again because I love it so much. And this is truly quick and easy makeup. You can sheer this out or build it up. And I am actually using the shade Vanilla. That is generally my winter shade. And what I do is literally just do some stripes. You can just kind of stamp it on. You don't need a lot, but this is going to give your skin a beautiful finish. So I'm going to start with that amount, and then I'm pulling out the Vanish Foundation brush, and I am going to just buff this into the skin, and basically my complexion will be done in minutes. Also, Olaf just got groomed and he wanted to come and say hello because he's my little helper today. And I just thought he looked so handsome. You are my little handsome boy. Okay, this is what this foundation looks like. So easy to use. It is going to mesh with my skin. It will look like skin, but it also gives a lot of coverage. So you literally can build this up if you like. I'm going to pop on a little bit of the Vanish concealer. I have it in the shade Silk. And I have the Vanish foundation in Vanilla, just in case I didn't tell you. It's early in the morning and I have not had a ton of coffee. So I'm just going to focus my concealer right over there and maybe a little on the outer, just over here. And I'm going to use my fingers first and just sort of tap that into my skin. I hope everybody is going to have a fabulous weekend. There seems to be already so many Black Friday sales that I can't seem to keep up with them. So what I thought I would do is I will be posting on my community tab. They're getting started a little bit earlier this year, so I will be sure to post up any like great sales that I find on that page, as well as I am creating a few gift guides for this holiday season that I'm excited about. So that video will be coming up, but in the meantime, every day I get an email where they're starting earlier and earlier. So making up for lost time, I think. Okay, so now we're gonna take my favorite palette here. I just love this one in Elephant, and we are gonna warm up my skin a bit. I'm gonna be using the Ambient. I'm gonna be using the brush. This is the Ambient brush that goes with these palettes. The brushes fit perfectly into the little squares here. And I'm going to come into this gorgeous bronzer right here. And we are going to add a little bit of color back into my face. This is just really quick and easy makeup. Perfect for this upcoming busy season. Okay, we've got a little bit of warmth on the skin, and then I'm actually going to go with the other side. There's one's a little bit like a bronzer, the other one's for blush, but I'm going to use the smaller one real quick, and I'm going to sweep a little bit of this bronzer on my eyes here, just for a little warmth on the eyes. Quick little base. As I said, this is one and done makeup, so I will just put a little bit of this bronzer kind of all over, just add a little bit of bronzer to add a little depth there. And then I'm going to go ahead and we're going to apply these cheek colors. And the way that I like to do it is I actually like to tap both of them together. I just think they are so pretty. And I'm using this smaller side here. And we are going to go ahead, add a little bit of this blush right there. I'm going to focus on the apples of the cheeks, and then I'll bring it getting a little bit of color back in the face. Then I can just use the opposite side of my brush and kind of blend this in, but I just love that. So starting to liven up the complexion, then I'm going to come in with my Rephr number 15. I'm going to go ahead, dip that back in the bronzer here, and then just make a little bit more of a defined crease there with that bronzer. Then using the same brush, I'm going to dip into the blush and add a little bit of that as well into that crease. This just ties everything together. And then we'll pop on that highlighter on the mobile lid, and it makes the perfect little easy eye, and everything looks sort of cohesive and put together. Okay, just a wash of those colors, and then I'm going to come into this gorgeous highlighter over here, and I'm going to place that on the lid. A little pop of this really pretty gold color. Isn't that so pretty? And it is the easiest eye look ever. While I'm here, I'm going to add a little bit of that highlighter on my cheeks as well. Okay, then I'm going to use the Hourglass Voyeur eyeliner, and this one is in Earth, and I'm just gonna love this because it's got a twist up cap, and I'm going to line the upper, and I'm basically going to tight line the upper lash line with this deep earthy brown. starting to look a bit more alive. I'm going to go pop on mascara, clean up my brows, then we can finish off with a favorite lippy. Okay, I've got my eyeballs on for the day, and then I'm going to come into the two finishing powders here, and I'm going to pop those on. And again, I just kind of like to sweep my brush over both of them, and I'm now using the I think this is the Veil powder brush, so I can use either side. I'm using a little bit of the smaller side first, and I'm just going to sweep those powders on. It's going to give my skin just a really natural kind of lit from within look. Okay, quick and easy look, and then I'm going to pop on the Hourglass Phantom lipsticks, and I've been meaning to talk about these for quite some time. If you are somebody who likes a glossy, shiny, hydrating lip, then you are going to love these Hourglass lippies. This totally reminds me of the Sicily, the lip shines that are quite pricey, but one of my favorite formulas. When I tried this one, I was like, wow, they feel very similar to that, but at a cheaper price point. So I have this in the shade Haze, which is described as a burnt rosewood. So I'm going to pop this on. And this is the shade Haze. So just love this formula. If any of you have other colors, let me know which ones I need to pick up, and I foresee picking up a few more. So that is going to be my quick and easy makeup look using this gorgeous palette for pretty much everything. We are coming into the busy season, so thought it would be kind of fun to share just some real quick, easy makeup where you can look a bit put together, a bit polished, but it didn't take a huge amount of time. So I'm hoping everybody is having a great day, getting excited for the upcoming holidays, and I will be back with another video soon.